This one is a very easy surface area question. Appeared as a 3-mark question in 2016 CBSE Class 10 board exam. Let's read the question. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top of the same diameter. The tent has a cylindrical base and the top is of a cone. The diameters of the cylinder and the cone are the same. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meters, the height is 2.1 meters and 3 meters respectively, and the slant height of the conical part is 2.8 meters. Slant height of the conical part is 2.8. The base diameter of the conical part will also be 3 meters because the cone and the cylinder have the same base diameter. What we need to find out is the cost of the canvas required to make this tent. They're given as a cost per square unit, which is 500 rupees per square meter. They also given us one information. Use pi to be equal to 22 by 7. Very straightforward question. The cost is nothing but the area of the canvas required into cost per square meter. This part we know, it's 500 rupees per square meter. So all that is left is to find out the area of the canvas. Area of the canvas required, the base, the bottom is a cylinder, the top is a cone. The curved surface area of the cylinder plus the curved surface area of the cone together will give us the area of the canvas required. So let's find that out. Let's find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. That's 2 pi r h. For the cone, the same thing would be pi into r into L, where L is the slant height. They've asked us to use the value of pi to be equal to 22 by 7. Let's do that. So 2 into 22 by 7 into diameter is equal to 3 meters. So radius will be a 3 by 2. Keep it as a 3 by 2 instead of a 1.5. That makes calculations that much easier. Fractions are easier to compute than decimals. Into the height of the cylinder, which is equal to 2.1, plus pi, which is 22 by 7, into the radius, which will be the same 3 by 2, into the slant height, which is equal to 2.8. See, solving these questions is also a function of how we actually do the calculation. You can cancel this 2.7 and this 7, and then you can make this as a 0.3. That is meaningless. Instead, think of it as 3 into 0.7 and this as a 10 into 0.7. This will make calculations that much easier. The more you work with integers, the more you work with fractions, your calculations are that much easier. Let's cancel this 2 with this 2. The 22 and 10 will cancel to leave us with 11 and a 5. So what do we have here in the numerator? 11 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 99 divided by 5. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now to this, let's add the curved surface area of the cone. Now again, I'm going to do the same thing. 2.8 is 4 times 0.7. 7 is 10 times 0.7. Let's cancel the 2 here with the 4 to leave us with a 2. The 2 gets cancelled with a 10 to leave us with a 5 in the denominator. So what do we have here? 22 into 3, which is equal to 66 divided by 5. This is the curved surface area of the cone. So the area of the canvas used is the sum of these two, which is 99 plus 66, which is equal to 165 by 5, which is equal to 33 square units. Because the cost per unit is equal to 500 rupees. So the total cost of canvas required is 33 into 500. Let's do that in the next slide. But before that, let's quickly summarize the calculation of computing the area of the canvas. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi rh, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 2.1. I'm just going to run through this calculation once again to drive home the point. Always work with integers instead of decimals. So this is going to be 3 times 0.7. This is going to be 10 times 0.7. So we can cancel this 2 with this 2 and this 22 and 10 with 11 and a 5. So 11 into 3 into 3, 99 by 5 is the curved surface area of the cylinder. For a cone, the curved surface area is pi rl, where L is its slant height. I'm going to again run through this calculation meticulously. 22 by 2, 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 2.8. This number is a 4 times 0.7. This number is a 10 times 0.7. The 10 gets cancelled with the 4 to leave us with a 5 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator. 2 gets cancelled with this. So what do we have? 22 into 3 by 5, which is equal to 66 by 5. Always do calculations this way. Now the total area is equal to 99 plus 66 by 5, which is 165 by 5 or 33 square meters. The cost per square meter is 500 rupees. Total area is 33 square meters. So cost is equal to 33 into 500, which is rupees 16,500.